We got a hammerhead chasing some shad across the monster. Get him. There you go. Bring it right into me.
Good job.
We got hooked up. Alright, see you later. Pull down and stop us. Oh, cobia off. Little cobia on it. Bigger one's better. Hooked up again. Woo! Alright. Fish on. Going for it. Fish on. There's some more right here in front of us. I'm going to try to whack him. Oh, right back. Alright. Oh, shit, I'm tired. He's gonna go. Yeah, you got him? Go ahead, net him up for us. Yeah, we'll take it. See you, buddy. Whoa. Where is it? I don't know, 12 foot or so. Every bit. That's a big. Got a new species on the fly. All right, boys. See you later. This one's going back home. See you later. You ready? That's what a mother effing snook looks like, fellas. All right. See you later. And we are hooked up.
Ozzy.
This is a big son of a bitch. Let's see what we do. Yeah, looks like it. See ya. Dude. These giant 12-foot plus tiger sharks. Oh my god, I hope you can see that in my video. That is a giant shark. And look, what do you know? We got a gator.
Yeah,